In this demo, we have a SharePoint site, and we are accessing the data for a recognized device of your organization. This device is recognized using the Manage System or Endpoint Manager in Intune. So it's a computer from your organization. So you can access the data and you can download the data without any problem. And even you can synchronize the folders in a computer that is known by the organization. If you access other SharePoint with more sensitive data like the IT group, you can do the same thing. You can synchronize without any restriction because you know the device that is accessing your sensitive data. And we have also very sensitive information like the legal. Notice that you are 100% able to do all the activities. But what happens when you are not in that device? You are accessing from a shared computer, your wife, in your house, or you are accessing your personal, or a contractor is accessing confidential data from unmanaged device or unknown device, or even a hacker is accessing your data from unknown device. So let's see how we protect this. In this case, I am accessing this data from an unknown device. It's not recognized. And if I try, this is a public site, 100%, I can synchronize because I configure the option not restrict this access. I can sync, I can download, I can do all the activities that you saw previously. However, for a sensitive size, you can have different flavors. For example, let's try to access the IT group that we see before. Click here and notice that there is a message that says our organization allow you to work in the cloud, but you cannot download, you cannot print, or you cannot sync. Meaning that if you are accessing the data that is in the cloud, but you cannot exfiltrate that data to your personal device. You can work in the corporate data, but you cannot exfiltrate. This is a very secure way. This is when you are working, for example, with a contractor that needs to access the data, but one day we remove the access, but the data is still secure here in your cloud. If you need to a SharePoint more secure, you can go here. And if you try to open, for example, for legal, they are going to tell me you cannot access because you are accessing from a device that I don't recognize. In that way, you are going to have different flavors of container of data. For example, you have container here with anybody can access. Here, the people can access with the cloud. But here, when you are accessing from unmanaged device that we don't recognize, the access is denied. This is a secure way of container classification for your data based on the sensitive data they are going to manage. Thank you very much.